How to save reels to camera roll in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So launch your Instagram, then tap on your profile. After that, go to Reels, select the reel, then tap on this share icon. Swipe and you will see this option download. Just like this, you can easily download your reel to your camera roll. If you want to download others' reel, the process is just the same. Simply tap on the share icon and then you will find the download option if the reel is downloadable. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.